Hi there, today we are going to learn how to create this effect in Adobe Illustrator step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Illustrator. Take a file of any size, turn off the stroke and create a black background. Then type your text. Before finalizing the text size, select your favorite font. Then resize the text size according to your need. Centerline the text. Right click on the text, select create outlines. Again right click on the text and ungroup them. Right click on the eraser tool and select knife tool. Then hold down Alt and cut in the upper left corner of the first letter like this. If you don't hold down Alt, the cut won't be straight. In the same way, cut the lower right corner of the letter as you like. Select and cut each letter separately using the same method. Hold down Shift and select the cutout part of each letter. And right click on any cutout part. Inside Arrange, select Bring to Front. Select each cut section separately and rotate them all 180 degree one by one. With the direct selection tool, select the inner corner points of each cut section separately and round them one by one as desired. Select everything and apply a linear gradient. Now select the top cutout and use the gradient tool to change the angle from left to right downwards. For the cutout below, make the linear gradient angle from right to left upwards. Use the same method for the cutout parts of the remaining letters. Select all cutout parts above and group them. Then go to the Effects panel, insert Stylize, click Drop Shadow. Here, set the X offset value to 3 pixels, Y offset value to 3 pixels, and blur value to 3 pixels. Then click on the color box. From here, select a sample color from the left side of the gradient. Make the color darker even more and hit OK. Again click OK. Now select all cutout parts below and group them. Go to the Effects panel, Stylize, Drop Shadow. Here, set the X offset value to -2 pixels, Y offset value to 0 pixels, and blur value to 3 pixels. Then click on the color box and select a sample color from the right side of the gradient. Make the color darker and hit OK. Again click OK. Hold Shift. Just select the letter and group them. Then apply a drop shadow. Here click on color box and select black color. Set the X offset value to 4 pixels, Y offset value to 4 pixels, and blur value to 4 pixels. Hit OK. Group everything and center line. Here you are, our effect is ready. So that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.